So what's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be talking about what is a password manager and why you definitely need one. So let's get straight into the video. So a password manager is an app or a software that helps you store and manage your passwords securely. So instead of trying to remember dozens of different passwords for all the accounts you have all over the internet, a password manager does the work for you. So it stores all your passwords in one place and even helps you create strong, unique passwords for every account you have. So how does a password manager work? So a password manager acts like a digital safe that stores all your login details, usernames, passwords, secret codes, and all whatnot for the websites and apps you use. So you only need to remember one master password to access the password manager. That's all. And so it will fill in the rest of your passwords whenever you need it. So it doesn't just fill in the passwords, but it fills in fields like your name, your surname, your information, your location. You can store password, not only passwords, but equally the information of your credit cards and all the security information that you usually get on the websites whenever you get there. So here's how it works, and in a few simple steps. So you just have to install a password manager. There are many of them out there. You just have to install them. Sometimes they are extensions in your browser, sometimes they are softwares. Just get to install them. You create your master password to be able to access and to secure the password manager itself. You just have to create one master password that is the only password you have to remember, and then you save your passwords in it. So generally it saves automatically passwords whenever you go to a new website and put in the information, or it will always prompt you whenever it sees you typing a new password or logging into an account. It will prompt you to save that password, and so it then once that's done, anytime you go back to that website, it's going to auto fill in that login information for you. Your username, your password is going to fill it in, and you will not have to remember it anymore. So why do you need a password manager? So first reason, better security. Instead of trying to remember all your passwords or using the same passwords on all websites, you have this password manager that is going to allow you to manage all of those things. So it offers better security. Secondly, easier to remember. So instead of remembering 100 passwords for all the apps and websites you use, you just have to remember one master password for that piece of software. And once you enter the master password, you don't even need to enter it again. So it just fills in the information for you. It helps you generate strong passwords. So instead of using the same passwords on multiple apps, it's going to generate unique passwords for every app or website you go to, making it much more secure. And fourthly, convenience. It's just convenient, not having to fill in the information all the time, not having to remember the information. It just makes it much more convenient. So are password managers safe? Yes, password managers are very safe. They use strong encryption to protect your data, meaning even if someone gets access to your password manager, they won't be able to read your passwords without the master password. So as long as you keep your master password secure, your data is totally safe. So how to choose now the right password manager, because you have a couple of them out there. So how do you know the one which is right for you? So when picking a password manager, consider the following: compatibility. Make sure that it works with your devices, your phone, your computers. Make sure it works on those devices. Secondly, security. Look for a password manager that uses strong encryptions that offers things like two-factor authentication and some extra security features. Thirdly, ease of use. Choose one that is easy to set up and use with simple interface, nothing too complicated. And then fourthly, the pricing also. Don't choose. So some password managers are free while others charge for the premium features and so on and so forth. So go with something that is having a good reputation, a good pricing model, and that's going to be secure. So that's how you can choose your password manager. So password manager is one of the best ways to keep your online account safe. It simplifies your digital life by remembering your passwords, so creating stronger ones and protecting you from hackers. So with a password manager, you only need to remember one master password to stay totally secure online. So there you have it. That's what a password manager is, and that's why you need one. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.